Michael's Aim, chairman of Maitshaphrang Tourism Promotion Group, has announced a one-week sit-in demonstration at the main secretariat starting March 3rd to protest the government's decision to vacate Lumpongdeng Island at Omyam Lake. Aim expressed no issue with vacating the government-owned property, but called on the government to provide financial relief for the staff employed at the boathouse for 27 years. He highlighted the significant investment made in developing the boathouse into a popular tourism destination. Despite the government's stance that no financial relief agreement exists, Aim argues that the lease agreement was silent on the matter. The government has set a deadline of March 15th for eviction.
India today recognizing me as one thing in a government can promote me honesty government can kan penprano okay ketika cakap jam sarkar sim at least I financial relief ini mo di kesuan begesti is okay. Agreement kan to ban ai dan ne banumai kan to alongside di hadung tarung ngimio kan no respond agreement rei la ai ni deadline ba kasan terik mutau nai march dan dei ben kesenang